Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Oppo Reno 10X Zoom, and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and as you can see, the photo mode is defaultly set. So whenever we will open the camera, the photo mode will be applied. And here all we have to do is to simply unroll, let's say, the top bar with the options. So let's simply swipe your finger down, and as you can see on the second position we've got the timer option, and here we've got three different settings, three different configurations which we can pick. So right now the timer is off because this clock icon is highlighted in this let's say pretty yellow color. But we can set either 10 or 3 seconds delay. So let me pick 10 seconds delay, just tap on the option you'd like to use, and after getting back to the camera, you can see that we've got this 10 number in the shutter button, which means that for sure we just applied the timer. So let's tap on the shutter button, and as you can see, from now on your device will simply count down from 10, and after that time it will take a photo. And the photo has been taken, so we can check also the 3 seconds delay. It will be of course faster because right now your device will count down from 3. Let's turn it off just by tapping on this icon. So we just got back to the first configuration, and right now your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So actually this is it. This is how to set camera timer in your Oppo Reno 10X Zoom. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.